Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the EcoSmart ECO 11 electric tankless water heater. If you've ever been frustrated by waiting for hot water or want something that saves space and energy, this one is worth a look. So what is it? The ECO 11 is a 13 kilowatt, 240 volt point of use tankless electric water heater. It uses patented self-modulating technology, meaning it only uses as much power as needed based on how much hot water you are drawing. In terms of ratings, it's got about 4.1 out of 5 stars from over 12,000 reviews on. People seem to like the reliability and performance. Of course, some reviews point out limitations depending on inlet water temperature, but more on that later. Key specs: it delivers around 1.3 to 3.1 gallons per minute, depending on how cold the incoming water is, so it's suited for a sink, a small bathroom, or low-flow applications. It can go from 80 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. You can adjust temperature in 1 degree increments. Physically, it's compact, roughly 11.5 x 8 x 3.75 inches, lightweight, wall-mounted. What are the advantages? First, space saving. Small footprint, doesn't require a big tank. Ideal if your water heater space is tight. Next, energy saving. Because there's no tank, no standby heat loss, and the self-modulating power draw helps reduce electricity usage. Also, temperature precision is great, and since it's electric, it avoids ventilation issues and gas safety concerns. A lifetime warranty is offered on electronics, heat exchanger, and elements, though not labor or incidental damage in many cases. Some drawbacks: in colder climates or when incoming water is very cold, the flow rate drops, so you can't run multiple heavy-use fixtures simultaneously. Also, you'll need a proper electrical panel and breaker. This unit draws about 54 amps on a 240 volt supply, so installation may require professional electrical work. Ideal audience: folks with small homes or apartments, single bathroom, or for point of use under sink or near a lavatory. If you shower often or want multiple showers at once, or have very cold inlet water, you might need a larger unit. Overall verdict: the ECO 11 is a smart investment if you want on-demand hot water, energy efficiency, and compact design. It delivers well if matched to your usage. If you size it properly and have the electrical